Hey, it's Sarah from Lion Brand. Here we are with a classic yarn, a real staple of the Lion Brand family. This is woolies. I have a few of the colors here. Do you think I got enough of them? I am just obsessed with the colors of woolies, so I wanted to show off some of them. I really like that woolies comes in just some really great solid colors. I love a variegated yarn, I love a self-striping yarn, but sometimes you just want, a red yarn, and here you go. So what makes woolies such a classic? First off, this yarn is a wool and acrylic blend, which means you have that wool feel, but you don't have to worry so much about how to take care of it. Projects that you make with woolies can go in the washing machine because it's 80% acrylic and 20% wool. You're getting 197 yards or 180 meters in every ball, and it is a medium worsted weight. That's a number 4, which means that it's great for a variety of projects. You can use this for sweaters, you can make afghans with it, you can do some really nice color work with woolies, and you get excellent stitch definition, so you can even do some really cool cables. All right, I think it's time to check out a swatch made with woolies. So let's get stitching. This is a swatch that I knit in woolies. I really like this color. And I used size 8 needles, which is the recommended needle size for this yarn. I didn't block this swatch, so it's curling up a little bit, but you can see gorgeous stitches. It just feels really nice, really full, and just like a classic sweater. You can see that this would be great if you wanted to do some color work because the stitches are just so beautiful. It definitely feels woolly, but not itchy. It's soft. You could wear this against your skin. It's really nice. I just love that. So here is the swatch that I crocheted, and this is just a single crochet swatch. I worked it up on the recommended hook size, which is a J10 hook. Crocheting with this was so nice. Does not split at all. You can see, again, beautiful stitch definition. These stitches are so pretty. I'm loving this heathered gray color. And this just feels so comfy. It's exactly the kind of yarn that I would want to cuddle up under as a sweater, as a blanket. This would make a really nice hat or a scarf because it's got that timeless wool quality. So that's woolies. It's a classic wool blend yarn that's great for a variety of projects because it's worsted weight and it comes in really nice solid colors. If you've worked with it before, leave a comment and let us know what you think about woolies. Happy stitching!